ugly souvenir cup and like shot glass, and then this cute little towel and some postcards. And now we're going back to our apartment to grab our stuff and come back to the beach because we have to bring all of our stuff, like our suitcase, in bags to the beach. So that's unfortunate, but we don't want to leave.
No.
We just left our Airbnb. This is like the building is in. It's like a condo. And we have all of our bags.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to the beach and hang out until our train comes. And our train isn't until 6 and it's only like 12. So we've got a couple hours on the beach, but I'm not complaining. We're at a little restaurant on the ocean. I got like a veggie something. It's like it's got like a bunch of vegetables and like toast with hummus on it and a Coca-Cola. And Mom, I just wanted to let you know that if I come home smelling like smoke, no, I didn't smoke. Everyone here smokes, and I smell like smoke now. I didn't know this, but apparently they do it in the States too. They put lemon in your Coke. I guess that's
Usually it's like on the side of the glass. I've only gotten it like on the side of the glass.
Oh, okay.
At like fancy.
But I've never seen a lemon in my Coke before. This is our lunch. Mine's like a salad, and it's got a piece of toast with hummus on it. And then, what did you get? The Caesar salad? She got a Caesar salad. It looks pretty yummy. Ooh, avocado, cucumber. Yum yum. We're going down to the beach. There's people doing yoga, and I'm kind of jealous right there. Just in case we didn't look tourists before, we definitely look like tourists now. Suitcases, bags. There's some kind of like filming situation going on over here, and we're filming two kids sleeping, and usually I didn't ask me to be a part of it. Like, that's kind of rude. Like, I want to be a part of it. What the heck? Film me. So me and Amy were on the shoreline down here, and we had all of our luggage, and we had to run up here because look at the water is now on the rocks, and it was not a good situation. But now we're leaving Biarritz.
We are, unfortunately.
It's not fun. Hours to spare. Our train doesn't leave for doesn't get here till like 2 hours, an hour and a half. So Amy's gonna go play the piano right now. She's trying to play a clip from La La Land. She got it. After I learn how to speak French, I want to learn the piano. We just got on the train back to Bordeaux. We're not very happy about it. See two classmates coming from San Sebastian. We just saw this one. She was trying to put her bag up there and it wasn't fitting, so I said, "Peut-être ici," which means maybe here. I made it to my bus stop. Again, I'm off the bus and now I'm at a different bus stop. And I have to pee so bad, so I have to wait like 10 minutes for this bus to come, which I'm not excited about. But buses are seriously the only way to get around this town because it's huge. I never really realized it because it took 30 minutes. It's gonna take me 30 minutes to get from the train station to my house. I made it home, but I'm all sticky and like sandy, so I need a shower. Here's my street. Finished building the little thing for the bikes. It's so cute. The alarm's going off. stylish or not, but SOS to me. I'm actually gonna pee my pants. I'm shaking. The neighbor guy just came and helped me. He turned off the alarm for me. Apparently it's motion censored, I think. There goes the neighbor that helped me. I think the neighbors next door called him, that's what he said.